latest neck design, which I call New Arrival. Stay tuned as you watch. If you like it, you can subscribe by pressing the red button. Thank you. Here I have 3 inches, six inches, the width 3 inches. Now I'm going to connect this line to this one here. Now here is going to be 1.5 inches. Now here, half inch. The interval from here to here is going to be half inch. Now 3 inch before I do the curving downward here. Just watch me. Now here, starting from this edge, I'm going to mark 1.5 inches, 1.5, 1.5 to give me the curve shape. 1.5, 1.5, so I'm going to connect this line. Just watch as I cut out the shape. Here is my shape. Now here is my fabric on which I'm going to place this shape. The fabric like this. After placing it, I'm going to use my pin to hold it. So let's go. Place here, following the shape. see it has been sealed round. What I'm going to do now is to cut out, trim it from the outer part here like this. I'm trimming the outer part. So I'm going to pick two. Remember it was 4. Remember it's 4. I'm taking out these 2. I will slit it to this edge here. So for me to get the center, now I'm going to trim. I'm going to slit rather. Removing my pin, I'll slit it to this edge somewhere here. This part. Leaving like almost 1 inch, like 7 or 8 inches. Okay, not up to 1 inch. So that by the time I begin to fold finally the outer part, the next thing is for me to fold this out, turn it out, now I will fold it into 2 equal parts this way for me to get the center point, which I'm going to notch like this. Now after this, I'm going to place my shape, making sure that the center point of this tallies with this. Okay, place the inner part following the shape like that. This fabric here, this is the wrong side, okay, now, and this is the right side of this. Why this one is the wrong side? The inner part following the shape out, trim it out, now the inner part, and I'm going to sew it. As you can see, this fabric this way, I'm going to sew. What I'm going to do is to turn it out using any sharp object. This, I'm going to cut it into 3 inches. Use 3 inches to cut it. But we have not turned it. I'm going to turn it, the outer part. I'm just turning the outer part inward so that it will give me a stable balance. As you can see, I've sealed it. The next thing for me, The other time I showed this, I've cut it into pieces of the same size. What I'm going to do, this is the background. I'm going to pick this. You can see the lining is going to be like this. I will fold it into 2 equal parts this way, and I will pick one of these. Okay, now I'm going to put it inside, insert it here like this, make it equal length. Now I'm going to place this one like this and place this one like this. As you can see, now because this place is too long, I'm going to cut it a bit, and I will insert it here. This way. Let me shift it out a bit. Now we insert it inside. Okay, making sure that this one is out. Now I'm going to seal. I'll wait here. Fold it like this, cross it, cross this one as well, this way. I'm going to cut it a bit. Now I will insert it also here. Here ends the end of this design. I call it new arrival. You can subscribe to my channel and you can share. Thanks for watching.